All right, the next thing that we're going to cover is how to broadcast a commercial listing within the commercial member-to-member system. There's two different ways to do it. The button located right here where you see broadcast, that's going to allow you to broadcast a commercial listing that is not in the MLS, where you could build it from scratch. I'm going to go ahead and give that a click. From here, make sure to see the section for subject and describe the commercial property and include the address. And then from there, if you do want to add some images, see the link icon located here, give that a click. And then from there, you can actually input a link maybe to your direct website or maybe to where the listing is located on a public website. You would just go right here, input the URL, and then you can go right here where you see display text, and then you can type, for example, click here for more information. Within the same menu, you also have the ability to upload files by clicking upload, and then from there you would click on add file, and then browse your computer and locate the file, and then from there click OK. You also have the ability to input the images of the commercial listing by clicking the paste button. Just make sure that you copy it directly from your computer. Another way of adding a picture to your listing is by clicking Control V or Command V if you're using an Apple device. Once the broadcast message is to your liking, just go to the very bottom and then click Save Message. Now that you've clicked Save Message, now you need to schedule the broadcast when you want it to go out. You can select the calendar and select the date of your choosing and also the time. In order to change the time, you're going to come right here where you see hour and use the bar located right here. And you can also change the minute as well. Once you've made your selection, click Done. And then go to the very bottom and click Scheduled Message. You also have the ability to copy the email if you would like. You also have the ability to preview the message prior to scheduling the message. Within this menu, you also have the ability to delete the email that you have saved by clicking the Delete Email button here. In the previous example, we went over how to build a commercial broadcast from scratch utilizing this button. In the next example, you do have the ability to broadcast a commercial listing that you've already entered into Matrix. In order to broadcast that listing, you're going to go right up here where you see your profile photo. You're going to give that a click. And then from there, you're going to go into your profile by clicking your name. Once you are in your profile, you're going to scroll down and locate the listing that you would like to broadcast by clicking the listing number. This will now take you into the full view of the listing where you can access the broadcast button at the top. As you can see, the system this time has already inputted all of the information, including the remarks, all of the specifications of the property, and an option to view the listing along with all of the photos and, of course, your agent information in the bottom left corner. However, just make sure to update the subject so that it includes the location of the listing and also describe the listing as well. Once you're done, you're going to click on Save Messages. And from there, you can schedule the broadcast when you would like it to go out. And of course, the time as well. Once everything's to your specifications, just click Done. And then from there, click on Schedule Message.